Erotic novels offer a unique blend of fantasy, intimacy, and emotional exploration. Understanding the genre is key for aspiring authors. Readers crave stories that ignite their senses and touch their hearts. Good erotic fiction goes beyond explicit scenes. It delves into the complexities of desire, vulnerability, and human connection. Think about what draws you to the genre. What are your favorite erotic novels? Identify the elements that resonate with you as a reader. This self-reflection will guide your writing and help you connect with your audience. Remember, the most compelling stories are often the most relatable. Characters are the heart of any good story. In erotic fiction, they are the vessels of desire, fear, and longing. Create characters that are relatable, flawed, and full of life. Give them backstories, secrets, and motivations that drive their actions. The interplay between your characters is crucial. Explore their desires, boundaries, and how they navigate their physical and emotional attraction. Don't be afraid to make your characters vulnerable. It's their imperfections that make them human and ultimately more relatable to your readers. Plot is the engine that drives your story. In erotic romance, the plot should build tension and anticipation, create obstacles that keep your characters apart, explore the push and pull of their desires. Conflict is essential for a compelling story. This doesn't always have to be external. Internal conflict, like conflicting desires or past traumas, can be just as effective. Use dialogue to build tension, reveal character, and move the story forward. Writing steamy scenes is an art form. It's about creating a sensual experience for the reader without being gratuitous. Focus on the emotions, sensations, and build-up. Use vivid language to describe the character's physical and emotional responses. Show, don't tell. Instead of explicitly describing every detail, use sensory language to paint a picture in the reader's mind. Focus on the little things, a lingering touch, a stolen glance, the sound of a breath. These details create a more intimate and evocative experience for the reader.